Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pretty chocolate-covered strawberries. First, select fresh, firm strawberries that are ripe and free of blemishes. Thoroughly wash and dry them completely. Any water can cause your chocolate to seize. Next, gather your favorite chocolate, whether it's milk, dark, or white, along with any desired toppings. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's melt your chocolate. A double boiler is ideal for even heating, or you can use a microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each. Be careful not to overheat it, as this can cause the chocolate to become thick and clumpy or seize. Aim for a smooth, fluid consistency that's easy to dip. This step is crucial for a beautiful finish. With your chocolate perfectly melted, it's time to dip. Hold each strawberry by its stem and submerge it into the chocolate, twisting gently to coat. Lift it out and let any excess chocolate drip back into the bowl for a few seconds. For extra flair, immediately add sprinkles, chopped nuts, or a contrasting chocolate drizzle while the coating is still wet. This creates those lovely, decorative touches. Finally, place your dipped strawberries on a sheet of parchment paper or wax paper. This prevents them from sticking as they cool. Transfer them to the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, or until the chocolate is completely firm and set. Once firm, store your beautiful chocolate-covered strawberries in an airtight container in the fridge. Enjoy these delightful treats within 1 to 2 days for the best freshness.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.